Hi, I'm Jenny with Mount Hood Community College's Avid Learning Success Center. Taking good notes is a key part to being a successful college student. This video covers the 5 steps of the focused note-taking process. This approach will help you to retain, understand, and apply the information you're given.
The 5 steps of the focused note-taking process are taking notes, processing notes, connecting thinking, summarizing and reflecting on learning, and applying learning. Before taking your notes, you'll want to select your format. Depending on if you're watching a video, listening to a lecture, or taking notes from a book, your format might change every time. Next, you want to set up your page with things like the date, the class, and which page of notes you're on. Finally, you want to create an essential question. This is a thought-provoking, open-ended question that you'll hope to answer with your notes. If you've been an avid student or have learned about note-taking, you may have heard about Cornell Notes. Cornell Notes are set up so the top of the page has all of your orienting information: topic, content, name, class, date, and essential question. Below that, 1/3 of the page is reserved for questions, and the rest of it is reserved for your notes. There are plenty of Cornell Notes templates available, but if this is the style that works for you, the easiest thing to do is to set up your page directly in your notebook. How you fill in the notes section is up to you. For some students, writing in a linear way works for them. For others, they may prefer to make a mind map, columns, blocks, or a combination of everything. As you take more notes, you'll discover what works best for you. Once you're taking notes, use active listening or reading to pay attention to cues for what's important. Paraphrase and be selective so that you're not writing down every single word. Finally, abbreviate and use symbols to save time. Use the lecture title or heading in your reading to create your essential question. As you take notes, look and listen for cues about what's important. But don't worry if you miss something. You'll return to your notes later. Processing your notes means you'll revise for clarity, highlighting, underlining, chunking, questioning, adding, and deleting. You may want to color code and group similar ideas, and creating a word bank could be helpful. When you connect thinking, you'll be asking higher-level questions, adding your own thinking, identifying gaps, and connecting to prior knowledge. If you've done reading before class, you may be linking the text to what's said in lecture, or you might be working in a study group or with a tutor to relate ideas. To summarize and reflect on your learning, return to the essential question, making sure your notes answer what you're asking. Capture the big ideas and how they relate, writing your summary in complete sentences. In reflecting on your learning, consider how your notes will be used. Without repetition, we forget most of what we've learned within a day. Effective studying means that you interact with your notes more than once. In the final step of focus notes, apply your learning. This means you'll return to your notes for studying, discussion, and reference.
We hope that information was helpful to you. If you want more information on taking notes or any other study strategies, please find us at mhcc.edu/LSC. We look forward to working with you.